Every data team has had this exact moment. Somebody renames a column, it sails through review, looks completely harmless, and gets merged. 3 days later, us dashboard's empty and nobody can work out why. This is that one change, one line. Let's find out what it actually costs. So I've opened a pull request with that one line in it, and there's a GitHub action sitting in this repo watching for schema changes, and it just woke up. First thing that happens, a language model reads the raw difference and pulls three facts out of it. Which table, which column, what kind of change. That's the only place in the whole pipeline where a model gets to decide anything factual. From there, it's all deterministic. It takes those three facts to the DataHub and walks the lineage graph. As you can see, the schema change lineage impact radar action is working. And that's it, done, under a minute. 16 assets. What's saying why it's 16? Follow just the column and you find your four things. Because dashboards and ML models don't attach to columns, they attach to the table. But take everything downstream of the table and you're being dishonest, since most of that has nothing to do with this specific column. So it does both and combines them. DBT models, Snowflake tables, Looker dashboards, Airflow jobs, two machine learning models, five platforms, five hopouts. And this part I'm the proudest of. 4 of these 16 are confirmed by real column level lineage. The tool can prove those touch this specific column. The other 12 come from table level lineage. It knows they depend on this table. It just can't prove they touch this column. It says which is which instead of presenting all 16 as equally certain. Same idea with the verdict. It says requires approval, not block merge. A rename has a safe path through it. A drop doesn't. The tool saves its strongest word for changes that genuinely have no way out. Oh, and this one gets me every time. A model sitting 5 steps away from the column somebody just renamed. Nobody reviewing this pull request finds that out on their own. And none of it stays capped in the pull request. It is visible inside DataHub, which is showing unhealthy now because the agent raised an incident against it. There's a tag on it. There are structured properties carrying the severity link and a link straight back to the report. And the full report is saved right here as a document attached to the asset itself. So the next person who opens this page or the next agent that reads this catalog inherits everything this run has worked out. Nobody has to discover it twice. So it caught the change before it was merged, worked out what it would break, and wrote all of it back into the catalog. That's breaking change radar for you, judges.